Hi there, it's Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. We do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification button below. That way you'll get notified when we put up some future videos. This is going to be fun and easy. My son Andy showed us how to do this. Jolly Rancher Vodka. Simple ingredients, just Jolly Ranchers and vodka. We're going to change vodka into a great holiday colored drink. You'll need inexpensive vodka and Jolly Ranchers. We used Members Mark for about $13 a bottle and a large bag of Jolly Ranchers. Now, sort your Jolly Ranchers into groups of same colors and flavors. We used blue raspberry, apple green, and watermelon Jolly Ranchers. You need about 25 Jolly Ranchers of each flavor to make this work. Be sure to use glass containers with a cover. Now, mason jars can work, but we went with something a little bit fancier. We used clear glass 16-ounce beer bottles with swing top caps. Now comes the hard part, unwrapping them one flavor at a time and putting them into the beer bottle or the glass container. Most do fit through the beer bottle, but if they don't, just eat them. After you have your Jolly Ranchers in that beer bottle or the glass container, pour enough vodka in using a measuring cup with a spout to fill the beer bottle almost to the top, and then seal it when it's full. Now just wait until they all dissolve. It's going to take a bit, so plan on waiting for a few days anyway. There you go, all done. Great for the upcoming holidays or just a colorful pick-me-up. Thanks for watching our video. We do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification button below. Get notified when we put up future videos. And also the like button. We'd love for you to hit the like button as well. Thanks for watching.